A common element of my campaign is the use of synergistic features between all three of my texts. To attract my main audience of young males, I have used a block-style sans serif font and bold contrasting colours of black and white, not only making the title and writing stand out, but also appealing to my audience who will recognise this as a convention of action and crime films. Along with the film titles and bold font is a gun barrel and bullet accompanied by a smoke effect behind the title. This is also a common convention of action and crime and is seen a lot in other films in this genre. The use of the gun in the title, trailer and in the main images on both the printed text appeal to my audience as stereotypically they like guns and crime. The characters I chose to include in my print text were, firstly, the main agent Blake, who is on the main image of my film poster. He is seen in a leather jacket and holding a gun, showing he is an agent, but also showing the audience straight away what my genre of film is. The mid-shot shows him looking away from the camera. This shows my audience that he is searching for someone and reflects the narrative of my film. He is also hiding behind a wall or street corner in the photo. This shows he is in hiding, also indicating my narrative through my printed text. The other characters I have featured in my printed text are the two government agents. They are seen next to each other and close together throughout all three texts, including during the trailer they are always seen side by side. This indicates to the audience that they work together as a team and have a close relationship. The effects that I used throughout all three texts in editing, especially in the trailer and images, were to make images and footage appear darker and therefore be using low-key lighting as a convention of action and crime films to be dark in the trailer. The institutional information included in my campaign is seen throughout all three texts. This includes our production company logo, which is animated in the start of our trailer. This makes it memorable to the audience. It is then seen in the right-hand corners of both my film posters and film magazine. This is because the audience can then make a connection between the three texts and be familiar with the production company. Our billing block from the trailer has been edited into the film poster as well, as this familiarises the audience with the director and characters, making a link between the trailer and the poster. The trailer includes a title In Cinemas 2014. This is because in my campaign the trailer would be released first, therefore the audience would be looking out for a poster or new trailer to officially state a release date. This is what is included in my film poster with the title In Cinemas February 2014. This keeps the audience waiting for the films and creates a link between the two texts. Overall, I feel my campaign would be effective as I have conformed to the conventions of action and crime films, which will get the attention of the audience. I have captured my images for the printed text from the actual trailer, making the images and characters recognisable and familiar. I have also carried the same themes and synergistic features through all three of my texts, showing the synergy of the campaign is strong and recognisable to an audience. If I was to improve on my campaign, I would change the word hunt in the film magazine banner to the actual Photoshop title, as this will create more of a logo type of film title that people would recognise easily, as it would then be the same in all three texts.